Life moves fast. Riding's where it slows. Before the house wakes, before the road fills, before the day starts asking for attention. The world doesn't wait, but on the bike, the noise begins to thin. Nothing here is quiet. Even the good things arrive loud. The noise comes from everywhere all at once. All of it comes along, but the edges soften. It starts to muffle. Somewhere between the first climb and the next breath, things get clear. It's just what's in front of me. The rest can wait. The body finds its rhythm, the mind follows. The noise doesn't disappear, focus narrows. That's the quiet I return for. Not silence, the calm within. That's where riding takes me.